Alright, today I'm working on a 2024 Silverado and I'm going to show you how to replace the side marker bulb. This is the bulb that turns on whenever you turn your headlights on or your hazards. It just illuminates the side. It is different than your turn signal here, but it's actually really easy to fix. It's right near, this is your low beam bulb, and then when you come in here, there is the cap. As you can see, to unlock it, you go counterclockwise, and to lock it, you go clockwise. So let's pull that out. And this is a pretty firm knob. There is a little seal on there. All right, I'm gonna put a fresh glove on here. Anytime you're handling a bulb, use a fresh pair of gloves or a paper towel. Now, this little holster here, grab the bulb and it pops right out. I'll put a link in the description for the bulb and some gloves. It's super handy to have, and make sure you're not back in here, a month later replacing this bulb again. So yeah, as you can see, it just pulls out, pulls back in, clips into place, and we're ready to reinstall. Now when you're throwing this guy back in, rotate it till you find the clips kind of settle in and the bulb goes where it needs to go. There it is. I rotated it around a few times. Then I'm gonna go clockwise. This is very firm, so I'm gonna have to use my other hand, use my strong hand. Oh, where are you? And yep, there it goes. So it is a firm push on that, and there's a little seal on there to make sure moisture doesn't get in there. But that's how you replace the side marker bulb on a Chevy Silverado 2024. If this was helpful and you like no nonsense tutorials, leave a comment, let me know, subscribe, and we'll see you next time.